Andhra Pradesh Power Generation Corporation Limited is a power generating organisation in Andhra Pradesh. It undertakes operation and maintenance of the power plants and also setting up new power projects alongside upgrading the project's capacity. History: the government reforms in power sector led to the formation of Attribution on December 28, 1998 and commenced operations from February 1, 1999. The imbalance of the revenues against the cost of production, no significant reduction in technical losses and energy thefts, high-cost purchases from IPPs, other SEBs gradually worsened the financial position of APSEB. APSEB division Government of Andhra Pradesh realizing the declining tendency of the financial position of APSEB and considering the recommendations made by committee, it was unbundled into Andhra Pradesh Power Generation Corporation and Transmission Corporation of Andhra Pradesh Limited on February 1, 1999 by AP Electricity Reforms Act. APTransco was further unbundled WEF. April 1, 2000 into Transmission Corporation, and 4 distribution companies. From February 1999 to June 2005 APTransco remained as single buyer in purchasing and selling of power to discoms. APTGenco formation and split Later, on June 2, 2014, when the state was bifurcated, APTGenco distributed all the assets, liabilities and power stations to both the states and Telangana Genco was formed for the newly formed Telangana state and APTGenco remained for Andhra Pradesh in accordance with the Andhra Pradesh Reorganisation Act, 2014. Power plants: the total installed capacity of APTGenco, after the formation of TSGenco is 4,559.6 MW comprising 2810 MW thermal, 1,747.6 MW hydro and 2 MW wind power stations. The power plants of APTGenco include thermal, hydel and wind-based plants. Thermal projects Note: Simhadri Super Thermal Plant and Damodaram Sanjeevaya Thermal Plant are not considered as they are not under the ownership of APTGenco. Hydel projects Hydel projects non-conventional units source, power stations of AP after bifurcation into APTGenco and TGenco. Operational performance: though the performance of APTGenco thermal power stations in terms of reliability, availability and maintainability is one of the best in India, its hydro power stations' performance is not satisfactory as they break down frequently or not in working condition when required to perform at full capacity during the short period monsoon season. The thermal efficiency of thermal power stations is not satisfactory to attain close to the rated/design values, which is deciding parameter in the competitive electricity market, whereas the fuel is costly in seller's market. Operating the thermal power stations in the range of 75 to 100% capacity and frequency follow mode with good part load efficiency is the needful strategy in surplus electricity grid except during peak demand hours. Also, hydro power stations should perform well, meeting all the functions such as power factor correction, peaking power generation, pumping water in pump mode and secondary power generation during monsoon season utilizing total available water. This can be achieved by maintaining hydro power stations at availability more than 95%. See also. References